So our holidays are officially starting. I know the glare is really bad, but whatever. I'm heading to my mom's house and we're going to start cooking and decorating for Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna show you guys how we do it. So come join me for Thanksgiving. Sweet potato casserole, cupcakes. Y eso es todo for today, ¿no? We made some rice pudding and some desserts for tomorrow. Those are Nutella filled cupcakes and those are Oreos. And these are our rice pudding, or as we say, arroz con leche. And that's all we've done so far. Already showering. So we are up, but we still need to organize this section and decorate the table because this is not staying like this. Grandma and nephew are in there playing. And we're watching the Thanksgiving Day Parade special. Kitchen doesn't look so messy anymore. And we already have some strawberries for later. Our turkey's in the oven, and it's only 9. No, bueno, desbotó las almohadas nomás. It's a beautiful day in South Florida. It is now breakfast time. Because we do the Spanish version of Thanksgiving. It is already 10:20. And no, we have not started eating. Nobody's here yet, till 5. And look at this beautiful coffee. Oh my god, that Nespresso machine is life. Look at that thing. I literally love it. So, I'm gonna eat. My chunky cheese and my beautiful autumn fleece. Is that it? and we're left with a big ass mess. So let me turn on the light. But yeah, that was our Thanksgiving. It is now like 11 and I am exhausted, but it's Black Friday, so, well, technically not yet, but everything already open. So me and my sister are literally about to change and hit the road to go shopping, and probably by the time I put this up, I might have the haul up already. So if it is up, I'll link it. If it's not, look out for it. So yeah, we're gonna go shopping, and I guess I'll take you guys with me, see if it's crazy or not.
Whatever, but basically,
stop.
Like always like making an excuse. So.
Yeah.
So whatever. So then him and Kennedy have been talking about going to the beach for the longest.
It's a classic. So what's on sale? The Keurigs are on sale.
Oh, look, how much are the griddles?
That's not bad for a griddle. We could do a lot of work on there.
We don't even cook.
Here's.
Oh look, what is this?
Oh look, it's $25. What is it?
What is it?
It's a roaster oven. No, I want a slow cooker, crock pot type thing. No, that's the electric fryer. But this is supposedly they were promoting this for the holiday that already passed. But wait, let's go see if they have a frothers. And we already passed it. Ice. I want an espresso machine so bad. These are really nice. These new Keurigs. I see you.
See that one comes with the
frother.
No.
What is this? Isn't this a milk frother? Does it?
Oh wait, yeah.
This is pretty nice.
This dishwasher safe.
Yeah.
They have it right here. For $17.99. Oh, it's a month.
Ja.
Oh, look, there's an espresso frother all alone.
How much is that though? Because I seen it on Amazon for like $100.
I have no idea. There's not.
I think it's on the other side because this isn't even the espresso. This is a small area, but not the area. I want one so bad, but they're on a good price. $120 for an espresso.
Oh, look, here's a frother for $24. And here another one for $16.99.
Oh, and it's on sale. They're on sale.
Oh,
15. But this one's a hand one that you have to heat up the milk and then you pump it. I don't want to do no work. I want it to froth by itself. You know? So we're now at Ulta. I'm like obsessed with this packaging. I think I'm just gonna get that just because we're free. What is this? Oh, and it's not even here? But this, I kind of like this brush. They have all of this on sale. This is the gifts under 15 and all of this stuff. This girl's about to start dancing. We're like so delusional right now because it's like it's already 1 and I've been up since forever. I really like this. So yeah, we're just looking at what's on sale. So far I only have this. I'm gonna explain what I have in my hand in my formal video. So yeah, they have pretty nice things. Good morning, guys. So yesterday we ended up just going home after Ulta because everything else was closing soon anyways, because it was like already like 1, like basically 2 o'clock, and Ulta closed at 2. So we just went home and I was like, you know what, I'd rather rest rest a little longer to hit up the rest of my stores. So now I'm on the way to Sephora. I was planning on waking up at 6 to get out of the house at 7, and it is, I woke up at 8 and I got out of the house at 8:30, which is why I have no makeup on, because I literally just jumped in the shower, washed my face, changed my clothes, and ran out the house because I was like way behind my schedule. So, but whatever, it's fine. We're gonna still hit up a few more places. I need to do Sephora. I'm gonna check out a different Ulta because the one that we were at didn't have everything we wanted from their Black Friday sale. I'm going to hit up Victoria's Secret, Bath and Body Works, you know, the usual. Then I'm gonna go to the outlets because there's outlets near where I'm at now, because I'm not by my house. I'm a little bit more north, and I'm gonna hit up some stores there. So I got a full day. My initial plan is to also go to a mall that's also in the area that I like, because there's like literally nobody there ever, and it's actually a really nice mall. And they have another Sephora there, because sometimes not all Sephoras carry all of the products that I'm looking for. So we'll see based on time and how tired I am, because that's going to play a huge role on how much I do today.
On this side and on the other side are 15 and under, and then we've got a lot of markdowns as well all around. So different sales are all around. So wherever you see this red going is where it's just been marked down.
Oh.
Price, okay?
Oh, wow.
There are tons of them, so just kind of keep looking around.
Okay, thank you. So we are at Sephora, and they have the 15. Oh yeah. And they have so many things on sale too. So this is like downtown area. It's so pretty. And it's a super nice day out. So if you guys have never been to Palm Beach, I would suggest you guys come out because it's super nice, quiet, and safe. Except for all this construction they're doing here. So I'm headed to some more stores. Next store. 25. Hello. Just browsing your sale. So I'm just now leaving the little shopping place I was at because I swear my life is so yeah, I came to this where I'm at, like kind of to my mom's house with my sister in one car. So they're leaving today at 12, and then I was borrowing my mom's car to come shopping, and then like an idiot I left, and I'm like a good 45 minutes away from my mom's house, and I have the keys to the car that my sister needs to drive home because she has to go drop my nephew off. So yeah, I'm real pissed. I went to Bath and Body Works, but I did super quick, like, you know, little shopping. I just bought wallflowers because everything's buy 3 get 3. So I'm gonna go back to my mom's. Well, I'm actually gonna go to Walmart first because they need me to go get a few things. And basically I'm gonna go to my mom's house, pick her up to take her to work, and drop off those keys. So yeah, oh my god. And that's where I was supposed to go at 6 in the morning, and like an idiot, I didn't freaking wake up. I'm so pissed at myself because I should have freaking woke up at 6 a.m. because now the outlets that are by me are jam-packed, like, oh, sickening. The good thing is that it's outdoors, so I don't feel that overwhelming sensation of so many people, but I just hate being where there's just so many people. I'm like in and out, in and out, in and out. So my day's definitely not going as planned. I had plans to be done with everything, because if I would have gone and been out by 6 a.m., I would have been done by now. But since I was out at 8:30 and I didn't even get to my first destination till like 9:20, it just really backtracked me a lot. So yeah, that's the story of my stressful morning / now afternoon. We'll still manage to get everything done, and if not, there is Cyber Monday. So yeah, so I will take you guys back out with me later when I am back at it. And no, I'm not gonna change. I'm literally staying like this for the rest of the day. And yes, you will see me with a huge thing of coffee. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a few. Not done yet. So we're back at it. So yesterday I got home at like 10 at night and I was exhausted. It was just so many people for me to film. Like when I was out, it was really crazy. The outlets were insane. So I couldn't take you guys with me the whole time. I feel like this lighting sucks. So yeah, I'm just fixing my hair. I'm about to head home, and there are still sales going on. So I think I'm gonna end this here. Check out my Black Friday haul if you want to see everything I bought and all the sales. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one.